In this legal vision, I would like to talk about the Supreme Court advisory orders on the presidential reference, governor and the president reference. It is a very significant matter. It is a just step forward in the Constitution of India. The presidential reference, which was given to the Supreme Court, following or subsequent the judgment on the state of Tamil Nadu versus the governor, Tamil Nadu governor. The judgment was issued in the Supreme Court and ordered. The Supreme Court used in the Article 142 on these matters and provided the assent to the pending bills to become an act. It's a total error. Subsequently, now the president, on the advice of the cabinet, had given the requisition or really asked the Supreme Court of India for an advisory opinion. For an advisory opinion. It is 16th presidential reference. Up to this time, 1-5. 15th reference had been taken by the Supreme Court of India and had issued a more orders, advisory opinion on it. But it is 16. It arose subsequent these orders by the Supreme Court of India using Article 142. But in the present reference under the Article 143, it is very clear now Supreme Court has issued the very clarification and has advised the powers of the governor is a discretion. The time limits can't be given to the for passing the also the bill and giving the assent to the governor and government and also the president of India. The timelines can't be fixed. At the same time, the Supreme Court or any court cannot take. It is assent. It is an assent or providing the assent to the pending bills. So the Supreme Court can't play the role under the Article 142 instead of the governor and also president. The governor has the powers to reserve the bill and give the assent or not and sending back or withholding the also bill. The same thing to the president because governor is on behalf of the president in the states. So it is a functions, presidential function, governor function, government function, entirely different function. The unnecessarily government of Tamil Nadu has also tried to enact more acts favoring the state. It will affect the federalism as well as the central government works. It is very clear the union government has also really argued well in this case. So whereby the Supreme Court had given an advice not to disturb the discretionary powers of the governor and the president. It is very clear advice on the 16th presidential reference. So now hereafter all the states have to keep following the also the advisory issued by the Supreme Court of India on the presidential reference. So passing the bill also is a duty of the state government or legislature and also parliament. They can pass, not act, and to do the function of the governor or the president. So it has given very clear. Now hereafter state governments have to proceed.